Enggak apa-apa, terusin aja. Pakai salam-salam enggak? Halo Dikda.
Gue Egen.
Gue Shalina.
Kita bertiga mau nyanyi lagunya Maroon5 yang judulnya Payphone. Nggak lebih sekali foto tapi.
Bisa kali pengen ada. Enjoy.
I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change has been on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the things we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture if you're not his meant to be. It's way too late to make it, is it too late to try? And in your time that you're wasting all of your bridges, but now I've wasted my nights. You turn off the lights, now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we call it love. But even the sun set in paradise. I'm on a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's so long. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sad. Turn our back on tomorrow, 'cause we forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, and you just give it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of the bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turn out the light. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we call it love. But even the sun set in paradise. I'm on a payphone trying to go home. All of the change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be saying. No, I'm on a payphone. I'm on a payphone trying to go home. All of the change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be saying. No, I'm at the payphone.
Thank you.
Thank you.